Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to change video frame size on Adobe Premiere Pro app. So firstly I will enter a video on Adobe Premiere Pro app. After that we will change the frame of this video. So firstly we will select the video and click on video. After that go to control या effect controls and click on motion. So we will select this video and change frame size. Second type for change frame size, go to sequence and click on this, go to sequence settings. So here is frame size of this video. So we can change frame size, so like 2500 and 720, and after that click on OK button and re-click on OK. So this video frame size has been changed successfully. So in this way we can change video frame size on Adobe Premiere Pro.